Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Doordash driver password. So, first things first, if you already logged into your Dasher app, you're going to log out first. Go to the settings, okay? So basically go to accounts, and then you want to go to the settings tab, and then you want to log out. Then once you're in the login screen again, what you want to do, guys, is you want to click on forget password or forgot password. Then you want to enter the email address that you used for your Dasher account. Then just click on the reset button. What's going to happen, guys, is you will receive an email with instructions from Doordash with the subject line that said password reset on www.doordash.com. So what you want to be doing, guys, you want to click on the link inside the email, and this will redirect you to a page that prompts you to enter a unique, strong password twice. So you just put in your password twice and then you confirm and you'll have your new password. And if you're on the desktop, you want to go to doordash.com, / accounts, / password, / reset, and then just enter your email address. And then you'll receive an email again with the instructions from DoorDash. And then you want to click on the link inside the email, and that will redirect you to a page where you enter your new password twice and then you confirm. And basically, guys, your password will be changed. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so you get notified of the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.